Barrow County. I'm sure I'm going to recognize where we're at some point, but I do not yet. Here, Rat Kinney Road. I don't know that I recognize it here. Rat Kinney Road. That's an interesting name, isn't it? Subdivision with some new houses, maybe a development that's opened up in the back from the 300s. Heather Estates. I may know where this is, but not sure yet. Maybe I don't. Lewis Kinney Road. There's a dirt road we need to explore. Well, this will give us 3 videos today. 2 reasonably, 9-10 minutes, and I don't know how long this one's going to be yet. 30 plus minutes, and then this one is going on 9 minutes. I do not recognize this as being anywhere I've been before. That does surprise me if I haven't been here. This must be Bear Creek. I've been all around this area. Bear Creek Reservoir. Yeah, this has got to be Bear Creek Reservoir. Looks like we're probably on the upper end of Bear Creek Reservoir, where the creek comes into it. Okay, I know where we're at now. I've always wondered where this road went to. Now I know. I usually come from the left to the right. Come down through here. State Road 330. To the right will take you out to 129. To the left will take you over into Winder. We'll be going up here, turning right, and crossing over the Middle Oconee River on our way back to the shop. tells us we are now heading almost, no, it's reorganized as we are heading north-northwest. And Old Hunter, we came through here the other day, we've entered Barrow County. Old Hunter will come out to make a loop and come out. Is this where we want to turn? I think it is. Build a house on the main road, that was a death sentence. You couldn't even rent the thing. Now people are building them all over the main road, so it doesn't matter. Okay, we're heading northwest. Dotson Road. This is not the road I thought it was. Surprise, surprise. So now I don't know where we're coming out. I've got a pretty good idea, but I don't know. Showing how little I know about Barrow and Jackson County today, aren't I? Oconee, the north end of Oconee, Walton. Just never been in my travel patterns. Yeah, this video's gotten to be almost 14 minutes long now. Thurman Road, another dirt road. Okay, this has got to be bringing us out where I know where we're at. Well, I say it has to. I don't guess it has to. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, to the left will take us back to 330. This is about where I thought it was coming out, but the road I was thinking about is much shorter, so it was a little bit further up. Now we'll go down and cross over the Oconee River into Jackson County. If you want to jump on it. Around the curve and down the hill, crossing over middle Oconee. Shop in 10 minutes. I think we'll go ahead and turn this one off. This is 15 and a half minutes, so this will be a wrap on this one. Sometimes we go this way, but they're cutting in a new subdivision over here this other way, so we'll ride by it.